Today I'm going to make a mandala art. So for this I took a paper plate and then I painted it in three colors. Here I made couple of concentric circles and then draw some lines to make a graph. This step is optional. If you are good at drawing, you can completely skip this step, but my drawing is not so well, so that is why I used graph. Now I will start making different shapes and then fill it. Mandala art is also known as a stress relieving activity, or it's very calming and soothing. So if you are getting bored or feeling stressed, you can try this. So here we are done with the mandala art and this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section if you like it.